Did you know that you can install or even update Blender without opening your browser? So you can do this through the command prompt. Maybe you already know where this is going. I like running this as admin so I don't need to confirm every action, but you don't have to, it still works. Just click yes. And let's make this really big and snap it right here. So we're going to use a command called winget, and you can use it to install a whole bunch of things actually. So if you're on a fresh Windows installation, you can install Firefox or Chrome without ever having to open Microsoft Edge. So winget is really nice for that. In my case, I want to install Blender, but this is not going to work. Let me just show you. Because I already have Blender installed. So it says, I don't know what you want. Do you want some of these other versions that you don't have yet? These are older versions. I do not want them. So there's a different command. We can run winget upgrade Blender, and that's going to update Blender. But before we do that, I like running the list command. What does that do? That simply lists everything we already have installed. So I have 4.4, 4.3, some Octane version, and it's telling me, hey, there's a new version right here, 4.5, which I think released today, I'm not quite sure. So one thing to note about winget upgrade is that it's going to run the uninstaller for this before it installs this. So this prevents you from ending up with like 10 different versions of Blender you don't use anymore. Sometimes that's exactly what you want. If this is a really new version and it might be unstable, it's kind of nice to keep older versions just in case. But if you don't care about that, then let's just run the upgrade command. And it also downloads pretty fast, I think because nobody uses winget. But on release date for new versions, downloads are really, really slow for me. I don't know if it's the same for you. On the Blender website. Ooh, very important. Upgrade only removes the previous installation. It doesn't remove any of your configs or add-ons or preferences. Those are intact. And it also only removes the previous installation. So 4.3 would be also left intact. The Octane version would also be left intact. It's only the latest one that gets upgraded. And that is it. This is my shortcut for 4.4, which should no longer work because it ran the uninstaller. And 4.5, which is going to replace it as the new LTS. And if you want to check again, remember, winget list Blender, see what we have, and just make sure to type it correctly. Hey, no more 4.4. And one final command you can use with winget is uninstall. And if you don't know what you want to uninstall, you type in specific versions like this, -v, and I'm going to remove 4.3.2. Whoop. And just press enter, and that's it. There's also a command for removing all the versions, but I don't remember exactly what it is. Just ask ChatGPT if you have any questions.